vlog intro. Happy Saturday, guys! Oh. And Bill doesn't want to be in it. Happy birthday to me. It is March 6th and I am officially 28 and I don't know how I feel about it. But that's okay. It's just gonna be what it is. Anyways, I got my family in town. We're gonna do Gracie May's baby dedication tomorrow at church. So that's exciting. But we are just walking around downtown Keeling and exploring some shops and having some fun and making some memories, which is the best way that I could spend my birthday, with my family, making good memories. Right, honey? Okay.
The inaugural food is an avocado.
Here, come here. Gracie May.
May. She's like, doesn't want to focus. I'm not eating that. You think I'm eating that?
Go, ah.
Oh. It's okay. It's okay.
What do you think? Oh.
That's not bad at all.
Is it yummy?
Yummy.
Look, she likes it.
What? I didn't do it. I'm innocent.
Birthday afternoon is going good. Everybody, including the babies, almost everybody. Skylar and Ryan are not, and then Bailey and I are not, but everybody else is at the house taking a nap, and we are gonna go on a walk at the state lake. So get a gorgeous view with our walk. I'm down for it. Bailey was like, we gotta get outside and enjoy the day. I was like, I totally agree. She didn't want to work on farm projects, so I don't blame her. So we're gonna go on a walk instead. Birthday to Mama.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kelsey. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! You give me a kissy?
It's like
Mwah, yay! You want to eat
Kelsey's gonna be
some?
a person that I know.
What are you doing? You got your coffee like Daddy?
Yes, sir. Coffee.
Is Lord and Savior? If so, please respond by saying, we do, with God helping us. The church is a family of God.
And just like that, the weekend is pretty much gone. It was a good weekend though. I had my birthday yesterday, and then today we did Gracie May's baby dedication at church, and then we had our family come out and we did lunch with pulled pork from one of the pigs, and now we're working on some farm projects. So Ryan is dolling down the trailer really quick. He went and got those panels that I told you guys about So panels for the sheep shed. So we have all the panels we need for that, and then also the hog panels for the training pen. So in the next week, I got a text from one of the ladies that I'm getting pigs from, and there's a few that are available or like ready to go. So I got to figure that out because I think I want all of them to come at the same time. Plus we're gonna go on vacation, so I kind of need them to come after vacation, after we come back, because I don't want our whatever farm babysitter to have to deal with pigs as well. Anyways, we're gonna do one more project though. We have to Ryan is going to be picking up we have 4 cows that he's going to Missouri this next week to pick up. If you watched, I'll put it in the iCards, but if you watched our video about him going to Alabama, he went down there and met with a guy named Raymond, and he got to see Raymond's farm and his cattle, and we are going to bring in some of those genetics to our herd. I cannot remember the breed that he does, though. I'm going to double check with Ryan so I don't say the wrong thing. But Ryan's going to go get 4 of those from Missouri. Another guy's buying some too, so he's going to his farm to get them. So he's going to be hooking up this pickup to the cattle trailer and heading out this next week. Just a whole lot of stuff going on, and like I said, spring is right around the corner, so we're just gonna be even busier from now on. Happy Monday, guys. First of all, do I look 28? And then second of all, do I look tired? I got no sleep last night. I was gonna say, so check back this Friday. We're gonna have our video coming out on Ryan's journey all the way to Missouri to pick up the Barzona cattle that he is getting from our friend Raymond down in Alabama. So if you want to see some of that adventure, come back on Friday. We'll see you guys later. Hope you have a great week.